Welcome to BusyBooks. In this video, we will show you how to create a stock transfer, transferring one stock item to another stock item. Rate is the cost of the destination item, and the price of the new item would be the same as this rate. How to create a new stock transfer. To begin, head to Inventory Vouchers under the Inventory tab. Select Stock Transfer. Now click on New Stock Transfer. Enter the necessary details, including voucher date, source item, destination item, quantity, and rate. Now to save the voucher, click on Save Changes. Your stock transfer is now created. How to edit or delete stock transfer. Go to Inventory Vouchers, select Stock Transfer, and choose the voucher that you want to edit. Now click on the Edit icon. Edit the required details. Click on Save Changes. And now to delete the voucher, click on the Delete icon. And you are done. Thank you for watching.